Well, good morning, guys. Today is a slightly different day. I'm waking up by myself. Everyone else is asleep currently. We've got a 458 Speciale from Mr. Cars and Coffee, the 488, which has been here for a little while, and the California in the driveway this morning. While everyone's still asleep, I actually have just heard that this brand that I really enjoy and I really like, the Automobile Club, ironically, sort of like the car club of Monaco, are launching some more clothing, and I really like their stuff. So I figured while everyone's asleep, I'm not doing too much. I might just head down there, try and see what they've got, and yeah, just take the day from there. I figured vlogging everything, so we're gonna head down to Monaco now, go to the Automobile Club, see a few friends who are there, see what kind of stuff they have in their store, in the boutique there, and then after I need to go to the airport, pick people up. It's gonna be another busy one. The question is, which car to take? Now then, I think today is a speciale kind of day. Mr. Cars and Coffee has very kindly left this here and allowing me to drive, so I think we get in. I apologize for that noise. Neighbors are having some work done to their house. Let's get into this thing and start her up. Cold start. Oh, that sounds pretty good. Open the valves. Oh, I did a full video of this exact car actually on a trip to Turin, Italy, and really enjoyed it. I love. Well, I mean, the 458 is my favorite car, and the Speciale is sort of the ultimate version of that. And this one with the valves open sounds incredible. So being able to sort of cruise around in this today is going to be a fantastic experience. The roads are quite busy, and this is mainly just an early morning cold engine cruise down into town. But later on, once I filled the car up and the engine's warm and stuff, then we can properly talk about all the intricacies of what it's like to use this. I guess today I'm going to be dailying this car. Can you daily a Speciale? Here is the question. Monaco certainly is a test of whether you can daily a car or not. I am straight into traffic. During Top Marks week, there's also the tennis tournament in Monaco, and the traffic just becomes horrific.
20 minutes later.
Successful mission. I've got a bag full of clothes here, which I'll show you in a bit, but now I have to rush off to the airport to pick up my friend who I did the whole Viva Italia tour with in the California. He's coming back to Monaco now, and he has no clue I'm picking him up in a Speciale, so it's gonna be fun to get his reaction. The good news is, at least I have the right car. Sorry, I'm concentrating how to navigate this traffic to get to the airport on time. Because maybe I left Monaco a bit late, but now I should be able to get there in time. Oh, that sounds incredible. What an insane noise. All the way to 9,000. Oh my god! I love this car so much. Sorry, tunnel again. I'm sorry, I can't resist. The question I asked earlier, can you daily a 458 Speciale? Well, the answer is yes, you can. Definitely not the best car to daily, but bear with me. It's got this little button, bumpy road button. If you don't have it pressed, this rides like a skateboard. It is so hard and set up for the track. Fair, I am in race mode right now. That's the setting it was left to be in. So I figured, why touch that? Let's just leave it in race mode. But when you press the bumpy road button, it's actually surprisingly okay. And these seats, I think, honestly, they're my favorite seat of any supercar I've been in. I think they look amazing. They hold you in brilliantly and they're not uncomfortable. This particular car also has this little remote control right here, so you can close the valves. I don't know if you can hear, but it makes a pretty significant difference. So that means that you can actually drive around without this car making too much noise, which is fantastic. The steering compared to the California, which is, let's open the valves, which is the car I've been driving around in for a while, so much heavier. But then I was able to park this car no problem. It has a lift system, which is really quick. I may sound crazy, but I think this is pretty dailyable. Dailyable, is that a word? Anyways, I'm driving to the airport now. I drove into town, did some shopping. Maybe if you did this every day, it wouldn't be ideal. But right now, I'm finding this absolutely fine. It's not like when you drive in Aventador and the clutch is annoying, it's so low, it's a pain to get around, you can't park it easily, the visibility is not good. This car doesn't really have any of those problems, and it's the hardcore version, so if you want something a bit more comfortable, you can just get the Italia, and then that's a brilliant car to be able to drive around. This, on a little road, trust me, having experienced 2 different Speciales on little country lanes, it's next level. I'm arriving at the airport now. I'm excited to see his reaction because 458 Speciale is one of his favorite cars. Where is he? Where is he? I see him. There he is. He's filming. Hello, hello. You got a haircut.
Yeah, and you got a new car.
That is true. Nice car park is pretty ludicrous. Look at this. We got an Aveo right next to us, a Bentley over there, and a G63 right there. Were you surprised?
A bit.
Yeah.
I kind of saw your story.
Oh, my Instagram gave it away. Damn it.
Yeah, he's probably gonna come with that.
But I knew this was one of your favorite cars, so pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
Welcome back. We're back in Monaco, top box. Here we go. You're gonna see Tom Marx's life in the fast lane pretty much the entire time.
This is what I call an airport pickup.
Yeah, I know, right? Yeah, we have places to be, people to see, no time to waste. You ready to listen to this? It's a symphony. This tunnel is incredible. You ready?
Oh my god.
It's insane. It sounds so good. Now, what I'm trying to talk about in this video is whether you think that a car like this you could drive every day. And my argument is it would be very hardcore, but it's 100% doable because this car has a really quick lift, it has the bumpy road mode, it's great visibility, easy to park, not like an Aventador, which you can't really use.
It's funny you say that because I actually sat for the first time in my life in an Aventador 2 days ago when my friend picked that up.
Yeah.
And I was like, I couldn't believe how uncomfortable it is.
Yeah.
The low level of visibility.
Yeah.
I can't fit in the Aventador. My head was literally like this.
I know.
Whilst here, and I'm pretty tall, I'm 190 basically, so here I have a lot of headroom.
Yeah.
In the Aventador I don't fit. So it's funny you say that, and I totally
because
agree.
there's no, I think the Aventador is, you can't daily an Aventador, whereas I genuinely think you could daily one of these.
Yeah, it would be incredibly costly because of depreciation first.
Well, you say that, but these are appreciating.
Yeah, but
so
if
all
you
you
put
do
a
is
lot of miles on
appreciate
it,
less. But
okay,
you wouldn't
fair
appreciate.
Enough. Fair enough.
You
Well, then it's still a cost though.
Yeah.
Because you're appreciating less.
Yeah.
And it would be hardcore as you say, but I think it's doable as well. 100%. 100%.
There you go. Yes, is the
But-
answer so far.
Yeah, but I mean, I think you'd be a madman. And I think if you have a
think you'd be a
Speciale,
legend.
you probably have a
Other
daily.
cars, yeah.
Yeah.
Most likely, if you can afford a 300 grand car,
Yeah.
you can probably get others.
But this is something I would want to have on a daily basis.
Yeah, it's so fast.
Wow.
I'm home and look who's here. You've been editing all morning, haven't you?
Yeah.
The lighting's not very good. Wait, I keep doing this to you. Ready? There we go. That's much better. So now we're heading down to Monaco, aren't we?
Yeah, but it's a chaos, so...
We'll see if we get there. But look, this is the stuff that I got at ACM. Have I shown you this?
No.
Look at this. I got a limited edition Monaco ACM Polo.
Well, this is...
I figured why not?
No, let's show
We're car guys. We might as well
welcome
get...
to the unboxing of this
Yeah.
Monaco Grand Prix.
I never usually go get new clothes, so I feel very proud of this. And then here, boom. They have some really nice clothing actually. I really like this stuff. Anyways, ACM, and then I got myself some caps. Yeah, that's a style. I got a few more polos and a shirt and stuff like that.
Okay, one chance. bro.
1,
6,
2,
6,
3. Way! Off we go back in the Speciale, and we got the California coming with us. Have you been in Speciales before?
Well, not properly.
Not properly, okay, well. Now you have, okay. Music. This car. The gearbox is incredible, the steering, the grip. Such a beast. This video is basically just gonna be me saying that this is the greatest car in the world. And that's because I honestly believe that it is. We made it to Casino Square now, and we're waiting for a very particular special car. And there are just cars literally everywhere. Look, Aventador pulling in right now. This is insanity. There's just, yeah. Thoughts on this so far? First time in Monaco for you?
Pretty crazy.
Yeah?
Pretty freaking crazy. Man.
So many car spotters, right?
Yeah, no, the car sport is, look at this.
Yeah, all around. Yeah, it's insane.
So many cars to spot.
Yeah, so many cars to spot as well. Stood here waiting for some friends, watching the cars go around. Look at that, Aventador S, just chilling. There are so many Aventadors. Look there, there's another one. So many cars, but we're waiting for something pretty special. Everyone's running, which means one thing. The car we're waiting for must have arrived. I can hear something, yep. I can hear something loud. Here it is. This is the Apollo IE. Stunning. And then we got Z behind. The amount of people around this car right now is insane. Cheeky performante right there. No one really noticed it because they're all still crowded around the Apollo though. Right now we are just stuck in tons and tons of Panamera GTS of traffic. Oh, look at that. Wow. With the black roof. That's very cool.
Wanted.
So, the drive home now. This is where things get crazy. We got the convoy following us. I know these roads like the back of my hand, so I have that advantage at least, but I can see them in the background. They are on it, so are we. This is always so much fun. The way home is never boring when you're in this kind of car on these kinds of roads. And that's that. Bit of a hectic day today. We finally made it back home. We went to see Archie and TGE quickly. We're taking delivery of their cars. Now it is time to get some sleep. Organize the madness because tomorrow is going to be, I think, the highlight of this entire trip. So thanks for watching as always. Please remember to subscribe and I'll see you soon.